Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I'll be going over the announcement that we just had about the issuing of shares at Argo Blockchain, and this is also coincided with the breakout in the price of Bitcoin. There is a lot to talk about, so let's get started. So we basically had 4 announcements on March 8. This was the press release about the fundraise at Argo Blockchain, and just in an hour and a half after this, there was another announcement about the closing of this fundraise. And this is the announcement of the closing. The important thing here is that they are issuing shares at 200 pence per share. This is in London. Here in the US, in the OTC markets, you have to convert 200 pence to USD. So 200 pence is around 2.77 USD. The share price of Argo as of market close on March 8 was 3.18 USD in the OTC markets. In normal circumstances, the share price does go lower after issuing of shares. I am posting this video around 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 9, Tuesday. Let's wait and watch and see at what price Argo opens in the OTC markets at 9:30 a.m. today. Please also watch out for the breakout in the price of Bitcoin that is also happening today. Well, in the short term, there may be some volatility, but in the long term, the capital raising is beneficial from the perspective of Argo. Guys, just wanted to ask something. To make these videos, it does take a lot of time and effort. So if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. There is one thing that I would like to point out. I'm not being able to get enough time to make a separate video on Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, ticker symbol GBTC, but I want to mention something here. The market price of GBTC is currently 45.31, but the net asset value as we see here is 49.02. GBTC is basically currently at a discount to its NAV. Please look into this. This discount to the NAV may not last too long. This data is as of market close on March 8. In order to predict the future price of Argo, we need to be able to predict the future price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has had a breakout over the last 12 hours, and this was very close to the Argo announcement. On the one hand, shares are being issued by Argo, while on the other, Bitcoin is breaking out. If the issuing of shares by Argo gets the share price lower, then it's going to be temporary. You want to be an Argo shareholder when Bitcoin breaks out over 58,000. Now that we have come up to 54,200, at this stage, all the 3 trades of Michael Saylor that I mentioned in my previous video, all those trades are in the green now. I feel Bitcoin is going to slowly move towards the all-time high of 58,000. And once we get above it, we are in price discovery mode. After breaking out above 58,000, we will be going to our next price target of 70,000. The benefit of this fundraising is that it will allow Argo to not just focus on mining, but also diversify into other areas of the crypto and blockchain ecosystem. The funds will be used for the Pluto investment, DeFi, and for working capital purposes. The funds have been raised from both retail and institutional investors. Argo will be investing £7.3 million in Pluto, and Argo will have a shareholding of 25% in Pluto. Argo is currently in mining or proof of work consensus mechanism, while Pluto is in the proof of stake projects. Pluto can also generate revenue from running nodes and validators. Pluto is also in the Web 3.0, Polkadot, Ethereum, and DeFi communities, and this will allow it to invest in early stage projects that can have long-term potential. As Argo is having a fundraise, it will not have to sell Bitcoin to raise funds. In this Bitcoin bull market that is being led by institutional demand, there are bright prospects for this asset class. And in such an environment, you definitely want to be an Argo shareholder over the long term. And this capital raise might provide you with an opportunity to get in. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have been following the crypto and Bitcoin mining space for a while now. And based on my research, I'm trying to share my opinion with you. Well, that's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.